Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a very different kind of Nankhatai made from these black sesame seeds. So for that, here are the ingredients. In this bowl I have 10 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, 2 tablespoons of black sesame seeds, which I have already roasted from before, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of vegetable fat, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's start with the first process. So in this bowl I have taken 6 tablespoons of vegetable fat, which we usually called as this dalda ghee or this vanaspati ghee. Into this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm going to cream this into a smooth and fluffy paste. So I'm going to beat this for some time, for around say 10 minutes, till it becomes fluffy and creamy. You can see it has become so creamy and fluffy, isn't it? If you have an electric hand beater, you can use that to beat the cream. Otherwise, you can use like mine. So I beat for around 5 minutes. Now to this, I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of that roasted black sesame seeds, semolina, the flour, and the baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And this I'm going to mix very thoroughly with my hand. So this is the dough. After kneading for nearly 5 minutes, I got like this. I did not use any egg or milk or water to knead the dough. With all the ingredients that I have shown you before, with those only I kneaded the dough. So now let's start shaping the cookies. Here I take 1 teaspoon of the dough, and I'm going to shape it into a round shape like this with the help of my palms like this. In this way I have shaped the cookie dough in between my 2 palms, and with the help of my finger I'm going to give a little press in the center like this, so that it will look nice. So in this way I'm going to shape all the cookies. In this way I have shaped all the cookies. This I'm going to keep in the fridge for around 10 to 15 minutes. After that only I'm going to bake the cookies. But before that, let me tell you one more step. I'm going to drop some sesame seeds on top of this, like this, and I'm going to press them with my finger like this, so that the sesame seeds will get stuck on the dough. After keeping the cookie dough for 15 minutes in the fridge, I have taken out just now. You can see it has become hard like this. So this I'm going to bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. Wow, look at this. So beautiful, isn't it? So our sesame seed Nankhatai or Indian cookies is ready to be popped inside our mouth. I baked this for around 15 minutes only. I'm sure you will try to make this cookie. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching.